Have you ever found yourself lost in a large building, specifically searching for a shop, a room, amenity, or even just the exit? It can be frustrating, right? You just get lost. So let me show you how we are solving that problem for you. So this is our product Nav Dar. In this example, we are using all-in-one floor plan, which is of multiple floors, as you can see, and each floor has multiple shops, which are interactable. I just tap on a single shop and it will show me the details of that particular shop, just like that. So now suppose if I want to go to HBL and I know that I am standing near Carrefour, I will select Carrefour as my starting point and it will guide me from Carrefour to HBL. So if I want to change my destination now from the drop down, I will select Nando's and it will guide me from Carrefour to Nando's. But even if I want to change my starting point, I will just tap on HBL. Now it will guide me from HBL to Nando's. Moreover, you can also select any shop from the categories or search for any specific shop. Suppose if I want to go to Sinbad now, which is on second floor, and I know that I am standing near HBL, I will select HBL as my starting point. It will guide me from HBL to Sinbad through escalators because it is on a different floor. So just like that, now I am on Sinbad. If I want to now swap the shops, I will just click on that button and now I am moving from Sinbad to HBL. As you can see, we have different categories here of shops, amenities, grocery, and we are also planning to add a sales section here which will list all the sales right now of the specific shops. It will help the shops to increase their sales and also user will get easy access to the sales section. So this is our product Navdar. If you or someone you could know could benefit from our product, feel free to reach to us. And also please don't forget to check out the live demo link attached in the description and give us the feedback if you feel anything in this app. Thank you.